Hey everyone, today we are doing an unboxing of the Insta360 AcePro. Let's get started. In the box you get the camera, the battery, you get the mounts, a cable, and your user manual. It has AI highlighted assistance 20, a 2.4-inch flip screen, waterproof up to 33 feet, magnetic mounting kit with hand gestures and voice controls. One of the main reasons we picked this camera up is it's supposed to do extremely well in low light conditions. Some of the other cameras that we have, some of our action cameras, once it's dark, it gets grainy or you can't see anything, and then I have to get my big Sony out. Well, for certain things I don't want to be carrying a big camera around, and so we thought we'll give this one a try. Let's get this box open. Alright, it's not a bad looking camera at all, is it? Let's get it out of the box now. Unit itself's fairly light. So you'd have your viewfinder back there, and this would just be a digital readout of your recordings, record time, all that good stuff. Your battery. And there's where your SD card goes in, and if you're going to plug it in for to charge it or to add in, because they have a bunch of different accessories just like all the other cameras. So in here we'll find our owner's manuals. Oh, and some awesome stickers. Looks like this is one of the mounts. Yeah, you got one of your mounts. USB cable. And let's see what this is. And this is part of that magnetic mounting system. Oh, what's this? Oh, and more stickers. Alrighty. To give you an idea of size, on the left is the GoPro 11, in the center is the Insta360 AcePro, and then on your right is the DJI Osmo Action Cam. Now, the first real use for the Insta360 is going to be on the 4th of July in Midland, Michigan. We're going to do some fireworks, or we're going to a fireworks show there, and we're going to put it to good use. I'll have some other cameras there too so we can use for comparison. Alright, that's going to wrap up this unboxing. I'll put a link below with some more information and links, and until then, happy trails.